So I was very touch deprived when I was little. I had a difficult birth and I come from a stern German family. I was lucky enough to find out that what was missing most in my life was a sense of embodiment, a sense of being part of a herd, part of a community, part of a pack that would not only have my back verbally or in some actions, but that would actually have my back in giving me hugs and physical reassurance that I am safe and that I am loved. So the next day workshop and Tantra Touch Temple focuses exactly on these things that I've been exploring and finding out for myself that give me so much joy and happiness in everyday life. Are you stuck in your head? Come and explore tools to drop into the body with a community who has found and explored the vast benefits of supporting each other with touch, and also deep exercises to de-armor the parts of us that have become numb over time. tasteoflove.com.au. Come and join me for my next day workshop on June the 1st. Are you stuck in your head? Followed by the Tantra Touch Temple. If you want more info on either event, please come and check me out on my website or send us a message. Yes! In the body.